You know I'm not the one to ask for money and whatnot. So I have problems with my mobility scooter, blah, blah, blah. And I really want to get another one. And I'm so out of pocket with the one I have got. And my thoughts, they've given me a second-hand vehicle. And they're denying everything. So if I go and trade it in, all I get is £250. That's nothing near as much as I need to get it back, get what I need. I'm looking at least £2,500. Anything you can spare would be great. And what I am planning to do with this is I will be doing like a prize draw where if everybody donates at least £5, I will create something and do it as a prize. So I'll put everybody's name in a lucky dip and I'll pick one name out. That one person will get the prize. And I might do a couple runner-up prizes. I don't know right now. I'm not begging for money. I need some help. If you want some more information, please just message me. Or if you can help in some way, I do have a link on my website. I've got a link I got in my shop on my website. There's something there you can help me out with this. So either go through this crowdfunding thing or my website. You'll be down in the same price draw. But everybody will also get at least 25% off any orders and free postage on top of what they give. Any amount you can help me with. So it can be small, it can be big, it doesn't matter how much. I'm just anything, and I'll be really grateful for anything, really. I know there's really some nice people out there. So, thank you.